No, I will invite another very senior rhinoplastic surgeon in our country, Professor Brigadier Mohammad Rahat, to deliver his talk on red flags in rhinoplasty.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before I start my presentation, let me tell you something. I never wanted to become a doctor. It was wish of my parents, and as usual, parents won, I lost. So today I am a doctor. Second point, I don't want to make it a monotonous presentation, but my object is to convey my message and at the same time to bring these people who are sleeping or आपस में कक्षण. So I will be making a very short presentation, not more than 10 minutes, and it will be a mixture of English and Urdu, कभी Urdu नीचे English. So since I wanted to become a writer, so then I became writer after doctorate. So I have book also, and now my book is also ready. So let me start with a शेर. मोहब्बत और मेहनत में नुक्ते का फर्क होता है. मोहब्बत और मेहनत में नुक्ते का फर्क होता है. गिर जाए अगर नुक्ता क़यामत टूट जाती है. तो ये समझने की बात है. इसी तरह राइनोप्लास्टी में अगर थोड़ा सा आपका एंगल ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो क़यामत टूट जाती है. That's why I am presenting you red flag rhinoplasty. So there is a message. Every news has a story, and not every story needs a scalpel. So, first of all, if a patient is having redo requests and lot many surgeries, these are persistent dissatisfaction. There is a lot many surgeries behind. The patient takes appointments and at the 11th hour cancels. Her nani or dadi dies. Then lack of confidence in speech. Once a patient contacts you for the first time, you will see the patient is not confident. He is talking with a shake. Then unrealistic expectations. Expectation might be sky high. So, if surgeon is observant, I say one thing, I may be a very good surgeon, I may be #1 surgeon, but after doing one of the best surgery, I posted on social media, there is a lot of appreciation, but next day patient says, doctor, I have a request, मेरा नाम काट दो. What happened? Please chop off my nose. I don't want to live in this nose. So, when I got this situation in person, I was shocked. What a wonder. So, what was the failure? It was not the patient. It was my fault. I didn't evaluate a single point relating with psychological analysis. So, I want to convey this message. This is very important. For example, patient would be asking this conditional concept. कि आप इसका करें डॉक्टर साहब, मैं आपको आधे पैसे दे देती हूँ, आधे में बात करेगा. So you may perform the best surgery, that patient is never going to satisfy. In my career, there is not a single patient who was satisfied. उसके बाद patient would be doing a storm of questions. After one question, other question on your WhatsApp or your number in sessions, and suddenly when you will call, what about your surgery? Salary will be off. So these are the patients which you have to avoid. Obvious stress is very very important. मैं आपको चंद practical points बता दूँ, which are, everything you learn with experiences. Nothing is, everything is not written in the books. हम नहीं करते, but we should do. Simply जब हम patient की we are performing the first interaction consciously. Just take blood pressure of the patient. It will give you an added point. What you will achieve if the pulse is rapid, you should be cautious. If there is sweating and once patient will expose the upper arm, you have a chance to see the forearm. And if you find multiple cuts, scars, which we many a time missed in our patients. So ask a simple question. आपके पाँव पर सोच तो नहीं पड़ती? तो पेशेंट हमेशा एडमिशन करता है कि डॉक्टर इज आस्किंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. तो पाँव को देखें. Many a times you will find cut marks on the feet. So avoid such patients. फिर sometimes you will see a girl, very pretty girl, still demanding surgery. So people who are concerned with the minor flaws always avoid them. Then patient disconnect during important session. For example, आप patient से बात कर रहे हैं, ये करना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, तो you find blank face, patient is thinking something else. So you can notice this thing. Similarly, unhealthy patient physical, then avoid those patients who are carrying in their cell phones pics of celebrities. Doctor, I want this nose. Doctor साहब मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. So always avoid them. So the other thing is, with your own reputation is at risk. I say every rhinoplasty patient should be assessed thoroughly, each and every point. Otherwise, you are having it. For example, did a surgery and posted on social media, excellent result, lot of appreciations. And the patient on same social media writes, tagging us, if a very good surgeon, उसका एक हाथ काट दिया जाए, क्या होगा? चलिए उसका दूसरा हाथ काट दिया जाए. So now I have done that surgery. I accept it. But what was my position at that time? I indirectly got a threat that I am going to chop up your hands. So it is not patient's fault, it's not my fault. I absolutely failed to assess the patient psychologically. So this is another lesson. Third, I don't know you like or not, a patient, beautiful surgery, excellent results. Third or fourth day, she says, डॉक्टर साहब एक बात शेयर करनी है. जी बताइए. I think I was raped during surgery. So I was shocked. So again, it was not her failure, it was my failure, because I didn't assess. हमने उसको देखा ही नहीं कि ये साइकोलॉजिकली किस कदर इम्बैलेंस्ड है। तो उसके पीछे हुआ क्या था, शी डेवलप्ड herpes blisters on the lips, and going to Google doctor, she found it's a sexually transmitted disease, and she was innocent lady. She thought I don't have any sexual relation, so this is during surgery. So we had a lot of counseling in that patient. Finally, the thing settled. So these are my points. सर्जरी करना बड़ा आसान है, बट किसकी सर्जरी नहीं करनी, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, अभी 10 मिनट है लेकिन 30 मिनट और कवर करते हैं। रिस्क टू सर्जन फॉर इग्नोरिंग साइकोलॉजिकल इवैल्यूएशन। वेरी हमारे पाकिस्तान में इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस। वी हैव अ वेरी गुड ब्रेड ऑफ पेशेंट्स, बट इन बेस्ट a minor mistake by you can have it. Reputation damage, legal liabilities, so many issues in West now. So cover legally yourself first before taking the knife. So this is another message. Tricky examination of the patient that I have already told you. When the patient walks in and you have a first contact, see whether it's a blank face, obvious anxiety, tremors in hands, slurred speech, and absolutely shaken personality. So reassure the person, first reassure, then offer a glass of water, then start assessing. So straight way going to knows, okay, you want this thing, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this, and you will get this result. This is not the thing. Tricky examination, आपने from head to toe करना है। Like I told you, blood pressure देखें, पक्षपात देखें, ये देखें, drugs history. Okay, if a patient is on firm drugs, let me tell you very my experience. You have asked drugs history, कोई आप tranquilizer ले रही है या ले रहे हैं, जो नहीं ले रहा क्या नहीं। If a patient takes a pause, doctor नहीं, so you should become suspicious. So taking examination में, if you are observant, you will easily assess the patient that this is not the patient for rhinoplasty. So, this rhinoplasty success is not about technique, it's about seeing the red flags. They can turn into regrets. So, my message and objective is achieved because all of you have become silent, listening to me, at least seeing me, and I have conveyed my message also. So, still 7 minutes to go. Let me finish with a शेर as I am a poet, क्योंकि आपके चेहरों को देख के मुझे अभी ख्याल आया कि ये मैंने क्या किया। ठीक है, तो वो शेर कुछ ऐसा है, अपनी है से यूं मेरे अश्क रवानी में नजर आते हैं, लोग चलते हुए पानी में नजर आते हैं, हमको जिसने भी पढ़ा हरफे गलत ही समझा, हम कहाँ अपने मानी में नजर आते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you very much, sir, sparing some time for us as we are already short on time. So the next, I will invite a very special person who is one of the pioneers in rhinoplasty surgery in Pakistan, and he's one of the finest surgeons, Dr. Arfan Javed. He's also the president of Rhinoplasty Society Pakistan. Dr. Arfan Javed.
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। प्रैक्टिकल है, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल है।
करने पे सारी करा दें, ना करने में कोई
Rhinoplasty is my passion. This is what I do daily, and I love.
मैं ये कह रही कि हर बंदा कहते करना कैसे है?
After
ना
years of
करना कैसे है?
experience,
माशाल्लाह।
I have come up with few tips and tricks that I'll share with you today.